The definition of a prime number is any number, any real number that you can only multiply by itself in 1. So examples would be 1 because you can only do 1 times 1. 2 is also 1 because you can only do 2 times 1. 3 is 1 because you can only do 3 times 1. 5 is 1 because you can only do 5 times 1. 7 is 1. 11 is 1. And the reason for this is because we can't break it into any other factors. For example, 12 is not a prime number because we can do 12 times 1, and we also can do 3 times 4, and we can do 6 times 2. And so anything with more than one way to factor it into real numbers, that is not a prime number. One more thing that is going to be extremely helpful is having our multiplication tables 1 through 12 memorized. So you should already have these memorized, but if you don't, I would just recommend taking the time to actually memorize them so that when you see them on paper, you can just easily know 7 times 6 is 42. Because if you don't know that, it will just make algebra a little bit more difficult. So I would recommend memorizing the multiplications of numbers 1 through 12 so that you don't always have to use your calculator for small calculations like that.
Hey guys, if this video has been helpful to you, click the link in the description to get access to the complete EazyStem Algebra 1 system, which includes a textbook, homework, and all of the course videos in order.